Okay, Bobby, we were talking about this pumpkin pie earlier, and this is our test pie, and I am ready to cut it, even though it's a little warm. I'm ready to see what this tastes like, and like I said on my first video, if it tastes good, that's fine, but I'm still going to taste it if it's not fine, because like I said, this is a test pie. Now remember, if you watched the first one, this was made with pumpkin and sweetened condensed milk, but when I opened the milk, it was the sweetened condensed milk. It was sugar-free. It had, I think it said sugar, or no fat. So I added some brown sugar to this pie, which, like I said, this is test, but it looks really dark. I thought it looked like a chocolate pie there for 1 minute. So I'm going to take a piece of this out, and it's in a 10-inch pie plate, so it's not going to be real thick. Cut that a little better. But, okay, the thing about it is, it did set up, which I didn't think it would, with being the no fat. But anyway, it kind of looks not real smooth like my other pies. But like I said, this is just test, and then I added the brown sugar. So when I get some sweetened condensed milk, regular, I'll try it again. But Bobby, here we go. I'm almost afraid to try it. It's very good. I'm surprised. But I think I could have went just a little bit lighter on the brown sugar. So when I go to store, I'm going to get some sweetened condensed milk regular and just do the canned pumpkin puree, 100% pumpkin, and the sweetened condensed milk regular, and put a little bit of spices like the recipe was supposed to be. But when you're a baker and a cook, you think you just add this or that, but really I should have just tried that. But this is really good. It's a little bit, not much heavy on spices, but it's very good. And I cut it while it was warm, but it's got a nice top, you know. You can really taste the pumpkin, and you can taste the brown sugar in it a little bit. I probably should have waited till it cooled off completely, but it really tastes good. I'm surprised. So you could put the no fat sweetened condensed milk in it. So like I said, it's an easy pie. It's very easy. I like it. I mean, I'm a fan of pumpkin pie, and I just like it. I think it tastes good. It's a little dark because I put spices in it. I mean, a little more than usual. I was a little worried about the sweetness of it. It's really good. As you can see, I ate the whole piece in front of you. And I used a bottom crust. It's not bad. It's soft and flaky. I think it was just an off-brand too. Anyway, it's very good. I can't wait to try it without the brown sugar and with the regular condensed milk too. But I'll still probably put just a little bit of brown sugar in with that recipe because brown sugar just makes things taste so good. And when I make my regular pumpkin pie that you take time on, I always put brown sugar instead of white. And it's good. It's really good that way. So you might want to try that if you're doing it the long way. Anyway, it's really good. And I won't eat another piece, but I do want to show you. I cut it when it was warm so it doesn't have that straight, smooth like I like to see. But it's good. It really is good. And I was thinking if you put Cool Whip or something, but you really don't need it with this pie. So Bobby, try it. It's really good. And like, you know, on the first video, I told you what I put in it. So anyway, God bless. I'm surprised this test turned out pretty good.